with you a little bit there, Playboy. That guy big at 22.9 said he got to go back to work. You just out there hooping and hollering. Hey, Playboy. 22.9 said he got to go back to work. You just out there hooping and hollering. All right there, Playboy. Boy, that time I got most of that. Hey, Playboy, that time I got most of that. You got to talk to your radio and it'll talk back to you. Hey, Playboy, I'm right back. He went back to 766. He left me on him all trying to call that cat big and cat farmer. Hey, 22.9. He went back to 766. You say every time you come out, he always comes out here. Hey, 22.9. You say every time you come out, he always comes out there and hoops and hollers there, break. All right, I got it all when you said it all, 22.9. Go and do what you got to do, man. Hey, 22.9, go and do what you got to do. The big bad bodyguard. Take care. I'm sitting on back. I'm going to wait on these cat picker Rudy Poots on the West Coast.
Yeah, I'm going to get out to you, 755. I'm going to get out to you, man. I know Flo bring out a whole lot of little picture, man. I'm 5 out. I'm 555. I'm Playboy down a whole lot of little picture there, break. But these conditions ain't got right yet. Doggone conditions ain't got right yet. I'm gonna say we can wait on them. Yellow Jacket say I'm gonna sit back and wait on them. You won't never.
I'm listening to this 22.9.
Hey, Blue Star, I don't know if I can get back around to LBC or not, man. Yeah, ask him, do you got a stick or a stick? Hey, quick. Ask that kite to your much, do you got a stick in between his legs or do you got a stick in between his legs? Quick, break. Attacking with the leg right back, I'm stepping down. Yeah, tell him if he ain't got no cotton bigger stick in between his legs, tell me get the running. Tell that cotton bigger, if he ain't got no stick in between his legs, he better stay away from me, quick. 410.
I'm still listening to this.
Who the hell you waiting on? Come on. These 9-5 say, I'm getting down. Hey, I take it back, you tell that cat minute quit who and holler behind me. Hey, 766. The only way I take that 5 back, you tell that cat digger to quit who and holler behind me, got break. Boy, Wildcat. Hey, Wildcat, it must be Wildcat Tuesday. It must be Wildcat Kick Some Ass Tuesday. Cause that's what you doing, you cutting up. Hey Wildcat, you must be on the west side all by yourself. Put on your later, Wildcat, jingle bells. I done told these guys about messing with me. Hey, I done told these guys about messing with me. You gotta file a mountain though. I'm gonna get a lot of 10-7. 8766. You call Free Play 9 on 10-7. 8766. Bye-bye.
He's still out there hooping and hollering for him. 22-9. He's still out there hooping and hollering for him.
Yeah, I know he ain't out there. I can hear him every time he key up. 8766. He rides around right now trying to find some Pookie Cat. 8766. He rides from town to town trying to buy Pookie Cat get break. You hear from me. 8766, you hear from me, 14. I'm gonna give you some water. This is swamp game, just like you see it. Bye, bye, bye. Well, train driver be a good guy. Train driver be a good guy to blame it on, 14. In the Bellwood, we blame everything else on train driver. You might have put that on him, right? Yeah, I had a young girl talking about the shop yesterday morning. She come to the shop, train driver, reaching his tongue out. Hey, I had a little shorty talking about the other morning, Cleveland. Train driver reaching his tongue out with that break. Get your ass out of that 766 Playboy and all that. Don't put trains on the minute on yeah, I wonder what's wrong with that type of video, man. Hey, 766. She came around here to see me. And trains around here this tongue out that way. No. 766, Playboy and all. Yeah, I took lady 5-5 from it. Now he trying to take one of my women. 8766. I took lady 5-5 from him. Now he trying to take one of my girls that way. 766, Playboy, come on. Hey, 766, I'm going back in the shop. I'll see you. Bye-bye.
Take care, 22-9. Hey, 22-9, take care, take him easy. I've just been over here listening. 766 been having all of his fun, but I could have cut his radio off.
Hey, 766, 5-ball say he been letting you talk. That's what he's trying to say. Hey, 766, 5-ball say he letting you talk that break.
Yeah, I want some of that back. Because if he takes me to the cat house, I already said that cop bigger takes me to the cat house, none of the girls are going to be hanging around him. They're going to be hanging around me, and he ain't going to have no money.
Hey, 766, you can't tell 5-ball to help from Brad won't help you. Hey, 5-ball, he say he don't need no help from you. He say you a broke ass hillbilly that break. Get killed.
I ain't even got a cowboy hat. Hey, 22-9, I ain't even got a cowboy hat.
Yeah, you don't gotta be no damn hat. Hey, 5-ball, you don't need no cowboy to be a hillbilly. Hey, 5-ball, you don't need no damn cowboy hat to be a hillbilly that break.
I'm a desert rat. Hey, 22-9. I'm a desert rat in the middle of the desert there, break.
You know who I'm going for. Hey, 5-ball, you say you a rat or something in the middle of the desert, no doubt about it. I'm gonna stand down for a minute. I'm going back in the shop. I'm getting down.
All right, go and do what you got to do. That Cupcake 766 gonna be out there hooping and hollering. Hey, 22-9, go and do what you got to do. 766 will be out there hooping and hollering, trying to get somebody to save him.
Yeah, quick. I'll be right back. Bloody all his life.
Got it all when you said it all. Hey, 22.9, I got it all when you said it all. 766 probably calling Playboy.
Drag his ass off the carpet and what's up, man? What are you talking to? Hey, 762, Playboy, what are you talking to? Break.
Man, your radio don't sound good now. Did you change radios or something? Hey, Playboy, you're humming, and man, your radio don't sound good. You sounded good about 5 minutes ago. Yeah, I don't think you got enough drive or something, man. Man, you call me, you hit me from 8 dB to 30 dB. Hey, Playboy, you hit me at 8 dB to 30 dB. Oh, we got a big old windstorm out here, Playboy. Hey, Playboy, we got a big old windstorm out here. Shoot, my hometown Ramona is out of power until Friday. They shut the whole town off until Friday. My kid and his mom, they ain't got power for 3 days up there, their break. All right, well, I'll let you know how it sounds. It's humming and it's swinging, and your audio sounds weird. It's humming, it's swinging, and your audio sounds really, really strange. Now, when you were out there about 5 minutes ago, you sounded a lot better, so maybe you need to be on the high side. I don't know. All right there, Playboy, while you're on the low side. Yeah, you'll get it right. Hey, Playboy, I'm sure you'll get it right. Hey, Playboy, I'm sure you'll get it right. You had it right about 5 minutes ago. Because when you were talking to me in 22.9, you had it set right, but now you did something to it, and now it's kind of not sounding right. So you better go check it all out. Hey, Playboy, take care. I'm gone. Yeah, I don't know. It's like you got a bad switch or something, or whatever they call it, bad breaker. It's like your breaker got hot and you're not getting the power for it or something. I don't know. Every time you modulate, it's humming, going brr, 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 brr. And I can't even hear your audio on the radio. So you might want to get it all checked out. Hey, Playboy, with that River Rat, take care. Call River Rat. Call 1-800 River Rat. He might be able to come help. I'm gone. I don't know. He may change the knob or something, Zigzag. I don't know, but whatever he did, it's not working right. I video gated it for him. Hey, Zigzag. I don't know what he did, but I video gated it for him. Take care, Zigzag. I'm back out. Yeah, that time, Playboy, I couldn't even hear you. Like I couldn't even hear your audio. I can't even hear you anymore. Like, you're swinging and your audio, but I can't hear a word you're saying. So there is something really going on. Hey, Playboy, you might need to shut that thing down and figure it out. That time I couldn't hear any of your audio, buddy.
Oh, of course, in the smoky hill.
Okay, yeah, I can't hear none of that. Somebody said something about you trying to run or something, Fireball. I couldn't hear. Hey, Playboy, there is something going on with your radio, partner. Hey, Playboy, there is something going on with your radio and your amplifier. I'm letting you know. Take care, Playboy. Take care, Zigzag. I'm gone. Hey, what's going on there, Dangerous T-Bird? Hey, what's going on, my friend, Mr. Worldwide Dangerous T-Bird? Fireball waving to you also. I know it's been a while, man. Hey, Dangerous T-Bird, it has. It's been a little month of Sundays. I did get to talk to your friend Reject last night. Boy, that guy, Big Boy, was funny as hell with him and Big Boss in Texas. Hello to you there, Worldwide Dangerous T-Bird, Fireball waving.
Hey, Fireball, I didn't do it all. You got to make a 766 for 30. That's not making years, man. Hey, Fireball, go for no one, take it. I'm going to shut back and read tomorrow. Fireball, Mr. Dangerous T-Bird is on the move.
All right there, T-Bird, that's what I'm going to do, man. I'm going to write some stuff down here on my computer and do some other things on that end. Hey, Dangerous T-Bird, take care. I'm sitting back reading the mail, too. Dangerous T-Bird, I'm gone.
I'm dangerous, too. You man, how you going right with here? I got my